An important requirement for PCI compliance in your AWS environment is having a network diagram. In the report on compliance, there are actually two spots for network diagrams. There's a place for a high-level diagram, and then there's one for a very specific, detailed diagram. It's a good idea to maintain both of these documents. At a detailed level, you want to show all of the connections within your environment that relate to the traffic flow and systems that are connected to one another in order to determine which systems are in scope and which systems are out of scope. You want to have in your document something that shows the out of scope networks, because you'll want to represent the network access controls that you have in place taking those systems out of scope. For things that are in scope, you'll want to consider shared services such as logging services and a patching server or directory services from Active Directory or something like that. Too often people leave those out of their network diagrams when they're actually in scope, because they're providing very important services to the environment in order to maintain the environment. The other thing that people miss in their network diagram would be systems that are connected to the environment but also maybe affect the security of. Systems that are managing the cardholder data environment, things that are providing security services, IT professionals who are connecting in order to perform certain tasks. It's very important to illustrate how those connections are happening, because there are components that will potentially be in scope and need to be represented on your network diagram. Be sure to check out the description below, where we've provided some links to some examples of good network diagrams for PCI compliance. AWS has published some of those. The PCI Security Standards Council has provided some as well, and we want those to be good examples for you to follow. But as always, please reach out to us if you need some help putting that diagram together.